And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 219. Let me show the bas relief filter. We'll go to Filter, Filter Gallery. And it's in the Sketch folder, the first option. And by the way, you can also find it via the drop-down. So here it's alphabetically sorted, bas relief. We have three adjustment options, the details. If you go lower, you're gonna get a smoother, fewer details. Higher values will give you more texture, sharp edges. Then the smoothness, it's mainly about the contrast, you could say. So if you go down, you're going to have high contrast. If you go up, the shading and transitions will be smoother. And then finally, we can adjust the light direction, and it's always seen from the brightest perspective. So when you go to right, then the bright parts will be on the right side, dark parts on the left. Don't forget to confirm we are OK, and this I can use the bas relief filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.